I mean, our standard lead time on a quote right now is 5 to 6 weeks. And it's my best estimate based on current workload at the time of quote. And, I'm sure anybody that is in manufacturing can attest. You'll quote stuff and you won't hear anything for a month. And then everybody orders everything in the same day. And so now your lead time just went from 5 to 6 weeks to, 6 to 8 because you just got 3 months worth of work due in a month and a half. So we try and manage that. We use JobBOSS shop management software to try and manage that. I'm not a big meeting guy. I think meetings are just a vacuum that suck a lot of productive time. Monday mornings, we have a 5 to 15 minute stand around, cup of coffee before everybody gets rolling. All right, this is what we got to get done for this week. What do you guys need from me? This is what I need from you guys. Any issues? And it's short, to the point. Everybody just breaks out from there and does their job. 5 to 6 weeks is generic guess, basically, at that point. We're typically within that range. Obviously, if it gets a bit busier, that would be communicated at time of quote and or time of order. And obviously, if somebody's desperate for parts, has a tighter lead time, we've never not taken care of somebody in that situation. So, and it depends on what it is. Is it a simple part and you need 10 of them? Fine. Is it a complex machine part where, there's a bunch of setups and difficult to machine material and a bunch of programming? That stuff, there's all types of variables. I've never been a big fan of expedite charges and stuff like that. I feel like if I'm going to charge you more to machine these parts, then I should take that money and write all the check to all the customers that I just hosed to take care of your parts. So I'm more interested in having a real conversation. Like, hey, do you really need these in 2 weeks? We can get them to you. Or is it 2.5 weeks? Or is it 3? And most times, if you have a conversation, you can find a solution that works for us and the customer.